Navy Vet 76 at the range. Today we have a 43 Spanish caliber Remington rolling block with actually have 43 Spanish cases. These are my reloads. I'm going to shoot a few at 100 yards and see how we did it.
Got a 9 on it. Ain't bad. Couldn't handle the paperwork. Well, you're in Cuba. Where you been? Not here.
I shot 5 rounds. I forgot to turn the camera on for 2 or 3 hours. So let's see. Okay, while we're waiting to be allowed downrange, I thought I'd show you some things here. This one has a peep sight on it. It also has a V-groove here when you flip up the sight. It's pretty interesting setup. Patina on this is nice. I really can't read the writing on there very well. Some of it's legible, some of it isn't. The bore on this rifle is beautiful. Really hard to see anything, but it's really clean. Very little or no pitting. Cleaning rod's still there. Stock's in really good shape. It's got some interesting things on it. It has like a rack number right there on the stock. Really nice. I've had this rifle for a while now. It's got a interesting arsenal mark there. This camera just will not pick any detail up. But overall, it's in relatively nice condition. I've had it for a while. I bought it from the guy actually that's sitting next to me here on the range. I'm not going to put him on camera though. Anyway, I thought I'd show you some more detail on that before we go down range and see how we did. I already looked in the scope. And it's the last shooting point of aim. So it's telling me I need to raise it up a little bit. Aim at the center of the target. I was aiming at the 6 o'clock, and it's pretty much where it's shooting. So we'll go down, I'll show you that, and we'll do another group. Okay, this was my point of aim. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's one down here, that's 5. So I'll go ahead and try and aim for here for the next 5 shots. See how we do. It's a little wild. I know damn well I wasn't aiming down there. I think it's my load. I mean, the bore on that thing is pristine. But, you know, it is what it is. Interesting gun. Let's do some more and see how it does.
I haven't forgot how, I guess. Yeah.
All right, there's my second group. There's 3. I don't know where the rest of them are,
Yeah, I wouldn't want to be standing down there and somebody shooting at me with it.
but I changed point of aim to right here. Well, there you have it. Spanish Mauser, not Mauser, 43 Spanish Remington rolling block.
Alright, quick for all that down range. Go forward now. Load and fire.
I'm gonna move on to something else. Just thought I'd show this to you.